Hey guys, Ben Wild here. I'm starting a new rifle build, and well, I put a couple parts on the upper, and I decided, maybe I should be doing a video on this. So this isn't actually going to be a how-to videos because, well, as many times as I've built these rifles, I can put them together pretty smoothly, but as soon as I turn the camera on, I become butterfingers, so I don't like doing how-to videos. So I'll just show you some of the parts I'm putting on this thing. The upper is a Damage Industries upper. It has a Strike Industries UDC dust cover there with a honeycomb design and a Punisher skull on it. And there's a Strike Industries blue forward assist. And over here is a Strike Industries blue anodized extended charging handle lever. Yeah, if you can't tell, this is going to be a black and blue rifle. Hey, maybe I should call it Bruiser. Black and blue, get it? Haha. Alright, anyway, got some box full of parts over here. Phase 5 tactical extended bolt release. This is not the one piece, this is the bolt-on. Let's see, I got a Strike Industries magazine catch, generic end plate. There's a blue mil-spec buffer tube, a blue trigger guard, blue takedown and pivot pins, and this is from PC Armament. Phase 5 tactical Fat Man muzzle device. Bought this thing over a year ago and never put it on a rifle, so it's going on this one. Got a billet trigger. Not sure of the I forget what brand this is, but decent trigger. Need to get some JP springs for that. Strike Industries Ambi safety selector. If you can't tell, I like Strike Industries parts. I have a Tyrant design blue anodized aluminum skeletonized grip. Right there. Those of you that follow me on Instagram and or Facebook have probably seen that. What do we got here? This is my Patriot mag release, so I don't have to register this as a California assault weapon. And then in here's my lower. This is a POF, or a Para Ordnance Factory lower. Not going to unwrap that. You know what a lower looks like. I have a MagTech Keymod handguard here, 15-inch, and this is going to be painted blue, and this is a paint right here. That's the closest I could come to with the color of the other parts. And the barrel is a Radical Arms 16.5-inch barrel, and that came with a gas block and a gas tube, and it's a mid-length gas system. I also don't have the buttstock out here, which is an ATI buttstock. Should look pretty nice. So, once I get a little farther in this build, I'll do an update video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.